Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. What's up, YouTube? It's Rafe West out here in what I thought was going to be a storm. Storm never came through. It was a flop. The first of two never came through. So, yeah, I wanted to talk a little bit about investing and about being early versus being late. Right now you hear a lot of people talking about there's going to be a crash, right, in the main market, stock market, and all this and that. There's going to be a crash. Everything's in a bubble, overinflated, what have you. But if you really look back, people have been saying that for a while now, for years. People have been saying that for years. Now, I'm not coming on here proclaiming to be a financial expert or anything like that. I'll keep it real with you guys. I'm playing catch up in my life, I'll keep it real. I have not been, quote unquote, doing the right thing since I was 13 years old. I haven't been putting money away or investing since kindergarten. That's not what I've been doing. So I am playing catch up with my life, and I realize that. And trying to stay positive with that is challenging, but I got to keep a positive mindset with that. All right? Otherwise, it won't happen. So, trying to keep a positive mindset with that, because that's the only way. Otherwise, I might as well give up. And I'm making some progress, So yeah, like I was saying, somebody just got a speeding ticket as the light flashed up there, or running a red light ticket. So yeah, I believe most people are early in their predictions, what they think is going to happen and stuff. Most people are early. So all these people saying that there's going to be a crash, and they've been saying that for a while now. Let's get real. Any of these YouTubers out there talking there's going to be a crash, especially now, they've been saying that for a while. And so they're usually early. So I'm going to go out on a limb and say that it's not going to happen. Because if you really think about it, most people are usually early and usually not right. So if you really, really sit down and think about it, that's how it is. So I'm going to say that we're nowhere near a crash yet, and it's not happening yet, and it's going to continue to go make all-time highs and go straight up. It's going to continue that way. All right? Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have a securities license or anything like that. I do my own research. I network. I try and network with smarter people than me. Okay? Which may be a lot of people. And so that's just them saying that to take precaution, and some people just try and be right, some people just try and be right. And yeah, a lot of things are overvalued, a lot of things are high. Everybody's going after the spec stocks, SPAC, all these things, lower priced things. Man, maybe the best thing to get into now is BTC, Bitcoin, because it'll probably go up to 75K at least before, it starts turning around and coming back down to earth. So if you can't find anything, it's not bad to go into BTC. Just because a psychological number has been hit, like 50K, anything with a zero at the end, they make it like a psychological number. Well, that doesn't mean anything. It's just that, a psychological number. And usually it doesn't end up on that. It ends up below or right above. So with that in mind, be smart, people. Don't listen to all these people making these predictions, okay? Now watch, there'll be a big red day, and I hope you all call me out on that. But the crash is not happening. It's just not happening right now. Okay? It's going to go up. It's going to continue to make all-time highs. Maybe I'm the only one who's saying this, and I'm not trying to be a contrarian and just be different. That's what I truly believe from my research, the Rafe West research. Okay? So, like I said, I only come on when I think I have something of value. All right? So, you let me know what you guys think. Do you think everything's in a bubble? Do you think we're headed for a crash, like they're all saying? Let me know. Consider subscribing. I'm walking around. There's a lot of wind. Every time I hear something scruffling behind me, I turn around. It's usually wind dragging something. Anyway, Rafe West. Got to put my mask on even though there's no one around at the moment. And consider subscribing. Watch my other videos. Most of my videos, or all of my videos, guys, are relevant for any time. Okay, so let me know. And if you have any comments, let me know what you think. I'm happy to read and hear about it. And yeah, I will speak with you guys another time. All right, take care, everybody. Peace.